Summer walk.
Okay, y'all. Whoop! Did y'all hear her pop that vodka?
Oh, girl, you doing a video?
Right. Mistake. Wait a minute, y'all. Okay, look, y'all. We all got different drinks. What's up, vibers? I want y'all to come pack with me. I'm getting ready to go on a trip, but y'all will see when we get there. So let's pack. Hey y'all, look at this. This is lobster mac from Ruth Chris. Look at all that in there. This is heavy too. And this my girl Raynell from Illinois. Y'all know that's where I'm originally from.
What's up?
I know. Ooh, look at her food, y'all.
South Carolina stuffed chicken breast.
Ooh,
French roll.
Look at that.
And I think I got a, this is
What
a
is it?
salad. Let's see what it's looking.
Ooh.
Yep. Nice salad. It should be. This is an expensive. Y'all know who Ruth Chris is. I'm pretty sure that's that guy that got a TV show that like stay with his family or something.
I don't know, but we're gonna smash this.
So yes, it was expensive. This came from.
It was
Ruth.
Chris.
Y'all want to see how expensive it was? Y'all see what we just got?
How much was that?
Where's that? Oh, they ain't even got it on there.
It ain't got it on there. How much was it?
$100.
$100.
It was $100. Yeah.
But anyway, okay, y'all, we getting ready to eat, and we'll be back.
I love summer walk.
Okay, y'all. Whoop! Did y'all hear her pop that vodka? We about ready to hit this road, and I'll show y'all where we're going when we get there. Look at the ocean.
You right here? I think we right here. I think that's it. I think so.
Yeah, that's it.
Look at the ocean.
Right in front of it.
Smell it. Oh.
Look at the water.
Oh.
This is where we're going to be. See the ocean.
For the one time.
Is that it? Yeah, this is it. This is where we go. Y'all gotta go make some bridge here.
That goat means, hold on, take this mask off. That goat means going on a trip. So that's my new word, goat. When y'all see that goat, y'all know I'm going on a trip.
What you say when you see what?
When you see goat, that means going on a trip. This is my girl Raynell from Illinois, y'all. Hey. Yes. So this is going to be our view for the next couple days. Yes, ma'am. Boom.
Oh, girl, you doing a video?
Right. Mistake. Right. Okay, look, y'all. We all got different drinks.
Hey, Myrtle Beach.
Cheers.
Cheers. We doing it.
Good times.
Yep.
I drank most of it. Jesus. Look how much you drank.
Ooh.
Come on, let me find out that's all you drunk. Come on. Right.
There you go. There you go.
There you
down
go.
to the neck.
Y'all, this kinky good though. It is.
Why you can't get these, King?
This wind is getting it, but that's okay. Got right there. What's up, mommy? Oh, y'all, look at the ocean, though. It's the ocean for me. It's the ocean for me. It's the ocean for me. Right there. Come on in, y'all. She's talking about her hair blowing away. We can't have that now. And I feel kind of tipsy too. And I'm a little tipsy too. You hear me? And I'm a little tipsy too, so I'm rocking. I'm rocking. Riding the boulevard, boo.
We ain't doing nothing. Riding. Girl came and got me from work. Told me, "When you off the rest of the weekend?" I sure am. Supposed to be packing.
Well, we finna go to the beach. You hear me? Supposed to be packing. We finna go to the beach.
You hear my mom? My mom be with this shit.
All day.
Ooh, I got a little tipsy. Your body.
Boom. It's a sky wheel for me. It is the sky wheel for me, y'all. The sky wheel. What is it for y'all? It's the sky wheel for me. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at those lights. Y'all know I love lights. I love the lights. Vibes, love the lights. Wonderworld. Zip lining one day. You hear me? I said zip lining one day.
Right, because what's your excuse?
My hand.
I knew you was going to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zip lining. Oh. They seem like they flying too.
I want to do it, kind of, but I'm
and me. Say hey, ladies. Y'all ready for this helicopter ride? Y'all ready for this helicopter ride?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, she said she think. Oh,
Maybe
it's a little too late.
it's too.
And rooftop bar. Yep. It's gonna be on and popper locking. Okay, we're getting ready to ride this next time. They're coming in flying too. And he ain't playing no game. Yes. Whoa. This our driver? Is this our driver? Hey y'all, I'm with my feet, and we rolling this Her voice sound crack cause she's scared.
Mary, look, right now.
Y'all, we gonna enjoy this though.
Look, look, okay, Bishop. Everybody stick your tongue out. Look at me.
Oh, when it sound like it's creaking, y'all.
Shit.
Definitely didn't like that noise.
Oh, it's hot.
My ass is on fire right now.
You done made me scared. Fuck, now I'm scared. Enjoy the fucking ride.
Oh, look at the little people.
I'm fucking, hey,
Y'all, we getting ready to chill. Look what we watching. Mommy and me laying down. But I'm getting ready to make some amaretto stone sour. So you need amaretto, sweet and sour, and some orange juice. Yeah, so we're getting ready to have something to drink. And then I'll put it in my cup. 49 customers. My son brought me out. Anyway, right now we just chilling. Give y'all a view of the view. Yeah, so after we get done watching TV, we just gonna come out and chill and look at the Atlantic, y'all. Oh yeah. I'm doing good. Okay. Say good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Yes. Look how happy they are. Yes.
Shit, why not? Breakfast the easiest and the cheapest.
No, I'm just saying like this. I can't eat that. I wake up too early. And I be busy all day, like when I be at work. Time to eat.
Right, you work at home.
The days I do get to
Good morning, my vibers. I am here to close out my beach vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And as always, boom, hey. And make sure you tune in for the next vlog, because if you enjoyed this one, the next one gonna be a banger. Bye.